So I'm going to show you long division, and we use the same bus stop symbol like when we did with short division, but I guess the difference is you call this long division because it's longer, in that there is more writing that we do. So let's say I had 246 of some things and I wanted to share them between 6 people. So we can do our short divisions without working down the page. We say how many 6s go into 2, 0, remainder 2, how many 6s go into 24, 4, remainder 0, how many 6s go into 6, and then we just write the answer on the top. With long division, I think it's easier because everything that's going into your head, everything you're thinking, you're actually writing down. So first, what we say is, how many... Oh, hang on, before I even start, the process for long division is always this. First, you do a division. Second, you do a multiplication. Third, you do a subtraction. And fourth, you do what's called bring down. That's weird. Bring down. And then you repeat this process, you keep going until you've used up all the digits that you want to divide into. Okay, so let's start off. It's best I just show you. So first you do the normal thing. How many 6s go into 2? Yeah, that's the division bit. How many 6s go into 2? Well, 0. There's no 6s. I can't make any groups out of 6 from the number 2. So now that's the division. 6s into 2 is 0. So now the next thing in the process is multiplication. Now you do 0 times 6. Well, 0 times 6 is 0. And now you do the subtraction. Right, keep everything aligned, yes? Keep everything aligned. So now you do 2 take away 0, which is 2. Now we do the bring down. And that is when you bring the next digit you want to divide into and you bring it down. So now you've got the 4, which comes down here. Keep everything aligned. Yeah, that's the trick. So now this is the next number that we want to divide into. So you say, how many 6s go into 24? Well, I know my 6 times table and the answer is 4. So you write your answer there. So that's the division bit. Now you do the multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. So you write that down. And now you do the subtraction bit. So 4 take away 4 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. Now you do the bring down. So now you bring the next digit down. And we've got 6. So now we do back to the division again. How many 6s go into this number? Well, this number is now 6 because we know zeros in front of a number doesn't change the number. So that is still 6. You can have as many zeros in front of a number. So how many 6s go into 6? Well, the answer is 1. Okay. Now you know that that's actually finished, but let's just go through the process. So after we've done the division, we do the multiplication. 1 times 6 is 6. So we write the 6 here. Then we do the subtraction. And then we do the takeaway. 6 takeaway. And you know that we don't have to do anything here because these are all zeros anyway. So these zeros are placeholders. These ones, if you wanted to put them. So because there's a 0 here, we've got nothing to divide into. So that is your answer. So your answer is 41. Yeah? And that's how we do long division.